Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Aziz bin Zamri, and today I will explain about the example 1, simple single acting cylinder circuit. So the first component we have here is a pressure source where it supplies compressed air to the pneumatic system. And the next component we have here is FRL unit, consists of filter, regulator and lubricator. So the function of filter is to remove the micron and submicron particles. The function of regulator is to maintain and regulate the air pressure. And the last is the lubricator, is to reduce friction where the lubricating oil particles are added in the compressed air. The next component we have is flow control valve, is to control the speed of the actuator by regulating flow rate. So the next one is three-way two position, push button activated, spring return, normally closed, directional control valve. The function of this DCV is to direct or stop the flow of compressed air to the appliance. And the last component we have here is a single acting cylinder where the compressed air will push the piston to extend and the spring will retract the piston. And the function of this circuit is used on the train door and mechanical clamps. So now I will explain about the flow of air in this system. So the air is supplied from the compressor unit and the airflow is now adjusted by the flow control valve V1. When the push button on 3-2 DCV is activated, the single acting cylinder will extend because of the air supply port. This one is now connected to the actuator port. This one. So this one will connect to this one. And the exhaust port is now blocked. So when the push button on 3-2 DCV is deactivated, and the DCV will be back on its initial position because of the spring return mechanism. So now the air supply is now blocked and the actuator port will be connected to the exhaust port. Now the single acting cylinder is now retracted back by the compression spring located at the rod end of the cylinder. But the speed of retraction stroke will be controlled by the flow control valve V2. So that's it from me.